this app called Payluk. What amazes me about this app is that really I was looking for an app that offers escrow services in Nigeria, and this app just turned up. So as you can see, I have 950 naira in my main wallet. Okay, so let's see about it. So if you want to add money into your main wallet, first of all, when you open the app, it will be good if you complete your KYC verification. It should be the first thing you do. So once you've done that, fine and good, you're set. Now what you do, if you want people to pay you, you click or you tap generate ID. You enter the amount, at least 1,000 naira, the purpose, a test, the details, type in the details of the transaction, delivery timeline. How long is it going to take for the product to be delivered? Let's say 5 minutes. For the sake of this for the sake of this test, I'm setting 5 minutes as the delivery timeline. Alright, so who pays the fee? You can split the fee, or the buyer pays the fee, or the seller pays the fee. So you generate the ID. You are the seller. The person pays into this ID. They are the buyer. So seller pays the fee. You're going to pay the fee. Buyer pays the fee. They pay the fee. Or you can split the bills. Now, after doing all these things, if you want, you can upload an image here. Okay. Or you create the payment ID. Now, once you've created it, it's good. All you need to do is copy the payment ID, and the receiver, when they want to pay, all they need to do is make payments and type in the ID of that person. On the other hand, you can also generate a link for the payment ID. Here is the link. All right. So now this is the link. If they want to make payments, they simply click this link to pay to you, or they type in this payment ID. The person is going to pay into your ID. So if I send this ID to a buyer, they would have to download the app, register in it, and pay into this ID. So if I want to buy something, a goods or a service, the person is going to have to generate a new payment ID each time. They'll have to generate a new payment ID each time. And when I want to make payments, I'll need to make payments into their ID, put in their ID here, make payments into it, and verify payments. Alright, so I just received a notification that I've gotten a payment. Great. The money has been paid. When they receive the goods, they're going to release payments. If they don't receive the goods, they can either file a complaint or choose not to release payments until they receive the goods. Now, having released the payments, what do I need to do? Simple. By releasing the payments, it's assumed that I have delivered the service, they have received the products. Once again, if they don't receive the products, they can choose not to release the payments. Now the money is in my balance, I can just transfer it to my other bank account. Okay, input my account number, input the bank, and I'm going to receive it in my bank account.